You will need your garment, a patch, an iron and iron board, and a piece of white cotton cloth. Prepare your garment and the patch by ensuring that both are clean and dust-free. Peel off the protection paper from the back of the patch. Align the patch, making sure it is on correctly. Use the hottest setting for heavy-duty fabrics such as cotton and denim, and a lower setting for delicate fabrics. Place the cloth over the patch to provide a buffer between the fabric and the iron to prevent scorching. Iron the patch to your garment securely by pressing down firmly and passing the iron over the area. Make a few rounds. You might want to repeat this process a few times to make sure that the patch is locked in place.